welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the new lister element. The new lister element allows you to effortlessly collect email addresses and grow your subscriber list. Currently, the new lister element is only available for the Shopify version. Here, I have a new lister element on the page. Let's walk through the options the new lister element has to offer. First, we have a quick link at the top to see the subscriber list. If I click on it, it will redirect me to Shopify admin, and you can see the subscriber list under Customers section. By default, the new lister form has name field and email field. We can hide the name field. You can make the name field required. We can change the name field label. The placeholder when the field is empty. Go to the email field setting. We can change the email field label. And the placeholder when it is empty. Go to Submit button settings. We can change the label to sign up. And if the visitor sign up successfully, we can show a message, or we can redirect to a thank you page. In case of an error happened, we can display a message to the user. You can add tags to the subscribers who sign up via this form by entering the tag here. Let me add Zeno tag to the subscribers. On the subscriber list in Shopify admin, we can filter the subscribers by tag. You can adjust the font, label color, input color, button text color for the submit button, and button color, let's say this is label font size and input font size. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.